Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Today we are going to see triangles exercise 7.2 1 to 4 sums. See the first question. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC, the bisector of angle B and C intersect each other at O. Join A to O, show that OB equal to OC, and second one, AO bisects angle A. Okay, so here ABC is an isosceles triangle and AB and AC are equal. Okay, so the bisector of angle B, see here this is the bisector line, bisector of angle B and bisector of angle C intersect each other at O, okay, join A to O, this line we need to join. Okay, show that OB equal to OC and AO bisect AO, this line is bisect angle A. So this we need to prove. Okay, first what is given in the question? Write the given. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. The next, the bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. So this is given in the question. Okay, to prove, first one, OB equal to OC, second one, AO bisects angle A. Okay, these two we need to prove. Proof. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC. Because isosceles triangle, these two sides are equal is given in the question. Okay. See here, look at the diagram. The diagram ABC, in this AB, the opposite angle is C. Opposite angle. Okay, AB, the opposite angle is C. And AC, side AC, the opposite angle is B. Okay, so here AB equal to AC is there. Okay, so angle ACB, because AB the opposite angle is ACB. Okay, the side AC the opposite angle is ABC. So ACB equal to angle ABC, because how we are writing this? Angles opposite to angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Triangle or equal. Using this, we are saying angle ACB equal to angle ABC. Okay. So, the sides opposite. Okay. Opposite to AB is ACB and here opposite to AC is ABC. Okay. So, because of this theorem, we are saying this. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Using this, we are saying angle ACB equal to ABC. Okay. Now I am going to divide by 2. Both the sides I am going to divide. So half of ACB equal to, because bisector, that word they used. Okay. So half of ABC. So half of ACB, how do you say, children? See here, half of ACB. Look at the diagram. Half of ACB. In the ACB, this half portion is call it as, can call it as OCB. Okay, OCB, OCB or else OCA. Okay, these two angles are equal, but we need to prove OB equal to OC. So that I am taking OCB. So the half of ACB, half of ACB equal to angle OCB. Okay. So half of ACB, in this angle, the half is called it as OCB. Okay. So likewise, half of ABC, half of ABC equal to angle OBC. See here, ABC in this half portion, this portion is called it as OBC. Okay. Now the OB, the opposite side is OC. Okay. And OCB, the opposite side is OB. Okay. Now half of ACB, what I am going to write? Angle OCB. Angle OCB equal to half of ABC, we call it as angle OBC. Okay. Now the opposite side is angle OCB, the opposite side is OB equal to, here OBC, the opposite side is OC. Because sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Using this theorem, we are saying OB equal to OC. Okay. So therefore, OB equal to OC. So we proved the first one. Okay. Now we move on to the second one. Once again, the second one, in triangle OAB and triangle OAC. I draw the same diagram here. For my reference, I draw here. Okay. Now we taken OAB, this triangle, and OAC, this one. We are taking these two triangles. Okay. We are going to prove these two triangles are congruent. See here OA is common. OA. Okay. So OA or AO. Okay. AO equal to AO. Because this side is common for both the triangles. And AB equal to AC is already given. Okay. ABC is an isosceles triangle. So this condition is given. Okay. And OB equal to OC. Because we proved in first. Okay. This one first you take this. So we proved in 1. Okay. So that by, see here, what are the things we said? OA is common and AB equal to AC and OB equal to OC. So now sides, 3 sides we used. Okay. So by side, concurrence rule, triangle OAB concurrence to triangle OAC. Okay. By triple S concurrence rule, triangle OAB concurrence to triangle OAC. Okay. Next we are going to use CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of concurrent triangles. Okay. So using the CPCT I am going to say, okay, BAO, this angle should be equal to this. Okay. So angle BAO equal to angle CAO by CPCT. What is CPCT, children? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Because these two triangles are congruent, we proved, so that we are using CPCT. Okay. So therefore these two angles should be equal, means therefore the AO bisect angle A. Therefore AO bisects angle A. Okay. So hence proved. Is it clear, children? See the next one. The second one, in triangle ABC, just you take the triangle. What is the naming? A, B, C. AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, this is 90 degree. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. Okay. So what is given in the question? ABC is a triangle, or else in triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. This is diagram figure 7.30. Okay. So to prove ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. One second. Okay. So first we are going to prove ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. I will draw the diagram here. A, B, C, D. Okay. First, in triangle ADB and triangle ADC. Okay. ADB, this part, and this triangle ADC. Okay. These two triangles I am going to take. First, I am going to prove these two triangles are concurrent. Okay. So, in this AD is common. Okay. So, AD equal to AD common and angle ADB equal to angle ADC because each 90 degree. It represents 90 degree. This is 90 degree means this is also 90 degree. So, each 90 degree. Next, CD equal to BD. So, this is equal to this because ADC perpendicular bisector of BC. ADC perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay. So, look at here, what are the things we said? AD is common and this angle and this side. Okay. So, side, angle, side. Okay. So, by side, angle, side, concurrence rule. Concurrence rule. Triangle ADB concurrence to triangle ADC. Okay. Then we are going to apply CPCT. Okay. So, by CPCT I am going to say AB equal to AC. How I am saying? By CPCT. Okay. Once we proved a concurrence, you can say this. Okay. AB equal to AC. So, therefore, AB equal to AC means these two sides are equal. In a triangle, two sides are equal means that type of triangle is called it as isosceles triangle. So, ABC is an isosceles triangle with isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Is it clear, children? Okay, children. See the next one. Third one, ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively. Show that these altitudes are equal. So what do you want to prove? Is altitudes are equal. So what is given? ABC is an isosceles triangle in this BE. In this BE and CF are altitudes. BE and CF. BE and CF are altitudes. Okay. CF. This is ABC. ABC is a triangle. BE and CF is altitudes of the triangle. Okay. We need to prove both the altitudes are equal. Okay. So what is given? ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. The sides AB equal to AC. And BE, CF are altitudes. So what do you want to prove? Altitudes are equal. It means BE equal to CF. The same diagram I drawn here. Okay. BE, CF. Proof. In triangle, see here, BCE, this one, and CBF, this triangle, this portion. Okay, these two triangles we are taking. In triangle BCE and CBF, triangle CBF. And thus, look at here, BC is common. BC equal to BC. It is common. Next, BEC and CFB. See here, each one is 90 degree. Okay, so we are using that angle BEC equal to angle CFB. Okay, BEC, this angle should be equal to this CFB, each 90 degree. Okay, the next ECB equal to FBC, because AB is equal to AC, the opposite angle is C. In AC, the side AC, opposite angle is B. So these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. Angle ECB equal to angle FBC, because angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Okay, so look at here. First we said BC is common, and next BEC equal to CFB, each 90 degree. Then side AB opposite angle is C, side AC opposite angle is B, and these two angles are equal because angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. So here what are the things we taken? By angle side. Okay, so by AAS concurrence rule, by AAS, because angle side, AAS concurrence rule, triangle BCE congruence to triangle CBF. So these two triangles are congruence. Okay, next BE equal to CF by CPCT. Okay, hence proved. So we need to prove both the altitudes are equal. Now we proved. Okay, so hence proved. Is it clear, children? See the next one. ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF to sides AC and AB are equal. Okay, altitudes BE and CF to sides AC and AB are equal. So that triangle ABE congruence to triangle ACF and AB equal to AC. That is, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Let's draw the diagram. Triangle ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF. First naming it ABC, and altitudes BE and CF to sides AC and AB. So AC, the opposite is BE, is the altitude of AC, and CF. BE, CF, 90 degree. Okay, are equal. BE and CF are equal. Okay. So we need to prove triangle ABE congruence to triangle ACF. Okay. So what is given in the question? ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF to sides AC and AB are equal. So to prove, first one, triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF. Second one, AB equal to AC, that is ABC is an isosceles triangle. Proof, in triangle ABE and triangle ACF. Okay, so in this ABE look at here, in this ABE, this triangle, and ACF. Okay, in this AEB triangle AEB equal to AFC, because each 90 degree. Okay, and the next angle A is common. See here, this angle A is common. Angle A equal to angle A is common. And both the altitudes are equal. BE equal to CF is given in the question. So, BE equal to CF is given in the question. Okay. So, look at the diagram here. What are the things we said? Angle and B equal to CF, these two are equal. Then we say is the angle AEB and CFC. Okay, so angle, side, angle, side. By AAS concurrence rule, triangle ABE congruence to triangle ACF. Okay, so first one we proved. The second one, we already proved triangle ABE congruence to triangle ACF. Okay, so that I am going to use CPCT AB equal to AC by CPCT. So AB equal to AC means ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so therefore ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay children, is it clear to you? Thank you children.